what is this, you ask? Well, attend my Dream It, Declare It, Do It workshop on Friday, March 6th, and find out for yourself. This, on a high level, is called the Dream Deck. And it's a process I developed to help you step out of stuck and into your possible. Because as Audrey Hepburn says, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says, I'm possible. And what we do during this workshop is we learn the difference between a dream and a goal. We talk about the things that hold us back from going for our dreams, achieving our dreams, making our dreams a reality. We kibosh all the things that society has told us dreams are and redefine them on our own terms. And we go through a proven process that will help you not only discover and uncover your dreams, but also give you a step-by-step way to make them become a reality. Now, I've done this with hundreds of people over the last 3+ years. I do it with myself each and every month, and I can tell you that my life has changed immensely because of it. Again, on a high level, you will uncover things that you know you can do, you will do, and you must do. And you give yourself a timeline for doing those things based on the process that I walk you through. I have a whole bunch of dreams that I can't wait to see come to fruition. These right here, though, friends, these are all the ones that have. This is my I did pile. And I have everything from hiking the Green Rock Trail, authoring a book, finishing my course, painting my baseboards. I have decluttering and organizing files in my file cabinet, working with women to discover their possible, getting projects complete, going to Mammoth Cave. I know you might hear these and think, oh, that's like the kind of dreams that I grew up thinking were dreams. That's the key to the workshop, friends. Again, you get to figure out what your dreams are, and you won't have anybody there telling you that your dream is not possible, that it's stupid or unfathomable. You will have a room full of support, encouragement, a room that wants to uplift you, a safe place to discover and uncover what sets your soul on fire. So I'm going to encourage you to join me and others on Friday, March 6th, and you get to name your price. You get to choose between $9, $19, $29, because I don't want cost to be a barrier to entry. And what that gifts you is not only bagels and cream cheese and snacks, as well as coffee and water, but I will also supply all of the things that you need to walk out of there ready to make your dreams come true. So join me March 6th. The link is in this post. You do not want to miss it. Trust me when I tell you it's a room you want to be in. Can't wait to see you there. Ta-ta for now.